Hi everyone, it's Seb Lee here, and I've been sent a laser that I thought I'd like to share with you. So today I'm going to be unboxing it and giving you my very first impressions. It's a laser by a company called WickedLasers, and you might know them because they've got this laser interface called a laser dock, relatively cheap at $200 US, and this can plug into any standard ILDA compatible laser. And they've got their own software called Laser OS, which can do simple visualizations and animations and even a couple of games. It's pretty fun and easy to get started with. This new product of theirs is called the LaserCube, and from what I've heard, it seems like an incredibly compact laser for its power. It's retailing at $500 US. It has an interface built in, so you don't need one of these. It runs on Android phones even, and it's due out in a month or so, which is pretty soon, right? Now they've sent me a prototype to try out, and so, well, let's check it out. Right, so here it is, let's get opening. Of course you can see my address. Should have thought about that, oh well. Rookie mistake. Let's have a look. Okay. What do we have? Okay, so what's this? That looks like a power supply. And a little desk tripod. Oh, that's pretty sweet, isn't it? Some cables, micro USB, pretty decent one. Micro USB to standard USB. Yeah, we'll see what that's for. That looks like some sort of refraction lens. Open that later. Some fixtures and a key. And another USB-C adapter. Box, what's in there? Oh, that looks like another tripod mount stand. I guess this is all to mount the thing. Here it is. Oh, it's actually pretty heavy. That's everything. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, surprisingly heavy. What's that? I mean, it must be... Oh, it's tiny though. Maybe 120 mils cube? Let's just have a look. Wow, not even that. It's more like 105 mils. Wow. Looking forward to opening that later, but it is surprisingly heavy. I guess there's a lot of metal in there. Right, so adapters, let's have a look at this. I guess there's no real instructions, this is just a prototype. Yeah. Right, yeah, so these are some diffraction gratings. So I guess to make different effects. I wonder if that makes you can see anything there. You probably see it on a light source. Have a look. See if you can see it on the torch there. Can you see anything? Ah, I guess it only works on lasers. Okay, cool. So, yeah, lots of lenses there. Huh. Yeah, they're not labelled, so no idea what they are. I guess we can try them out later. Tripod. This is the adapter, let's just see. Has it got a UK plug on it? Nope, it's an American one. Probably got an adapter somewhere. What is it? 19 volts. It's rather a strange one. So yeah, now, so it's got that standard slot. I wonder if I've got anything that would fit that. Tripod, so there isn't an adapter. Okay, let me go and find one. Let's unbox the laser first. Okay, let's have it. we have it. Okay. So there's the shutter there, just safety shutter, I presume. See the scanners in there. On the back, what do we have? Well, key to turn it on, little switch. I guess that's power. No idea what that is. Micro USB. Maybe that's an interlock? And like I say, there's literally no instructions at all. And I guess you can put this on the little tripod, but I won't do that now. I wonder what this is. Maybe there's some hints in here. Yeah, that extra connector might be an interlock. Yeah, okay, so I've got a couple of connectors that come with it. So this must be a safety interlock. You can see one of them there. It's got a little wire connecting it, and the other it's got a connector, so presumably I could attach that to an e-stop button. Let's plug it in. Oh, nice Velcro. Okay, so plugged in, nothing happens, turn it on, see it green lights, obviously nothing coming out yet. Let's plug in the interlock. Yet another form of interlock. There's so many different standards, it drives me nuts. And turn the key. Let's have a look. We're going to get some lights. Oh, there you go, right, so presumably that's active now. Now presumably also it's not going to start firing until I give it something. So I think I've got the laser dock software. Let's just get that running and see what happens. Okay, so the software's up and running now. Let's see if I can get it to recognise the laser. Let's plug it in. Oh, I never know which way around to put these. There you go. Okay, so I've got it working. Yeah, it's pretty impressive for the size. Let's just see if we can get through the beams. There you go. Vape pen always useful for checking out beams. Yeah, it doesn't seem like too bad of a laser at all. Oh, one thing I did forget to mention, actually this has a battery built in, so that I can unplug it from the power. Still works. Kind of amazing. So there it is, the incredible tiny 1 watt LaserCube. I've honestly never seen a laser quite so small as this. Look at it! Look! So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video. It is very brief. I'm hoping to put together more of a longer review of it and some more information about it in an upcoming video. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching!